This is our very dear, sweet Tawny. This is her favorite place to wait for breakfast or to sit during the day or when we're watching TV. This is where she is. Yeah, this is her favorite spot. Yeah. Yeah. Cute thing. You little cute thing. Oh, so cute. Oh, love you. Love you. You're so pretty. So sweet. There she is. There's her best friend, Dexter. Dexman. Hi. Look how she loves Dexter. She loves him. She loves him. He's her buddy. So, Carole, I just want to show you how she's doing. She's so pretty. So sweet. So happy. Happy, 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 happy little dog. Happy, 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 happy little dog. Yeah. She's just waiting for you to be ready.